Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. In this video, we will learn AutoSum in Excel. So let's start. The AutoSum in Excel, the fastest way to add numbers with just one click. Select the cell where you want the total to appear. So I select here the cell and go to the Home tab. In Editing Group, click on the AutoSum option. Just click on it and here you see the Excel automatically select the range of number above, and here just press the enter and your total appear instantly. I just double click on this column and here adjust column width. You can see the 1,74,000 is total of this column. And the second way, you can also use the shortcut keys. So I remove this, simply select the cell and press the delete key of the keyboard. And here I use the Alt is equal to, and here you can see again the range of data is automatically selected. Press the enter key and here you can see the total appear instantly. So that's it. And the third way, you can use here the quick analysis. Again, I press the delete key to remove this total and select the range of column. And you can see the corner side one icon is showing the quick analysis. Just click on it. And here in total tab, here have a sum option. Just click on it and that's it. Here you can see the auto sum quickly with the quick analysis. And here the AutoSum does not just work for addition. You can use for average, count, max and min function too. So I select the cell, go to the home tab in editing group, click on this drop down arrow and here you can see the second function is average. When you click on it and here you can see the range of data is automatically selected. Just press the enter and here you can see the average amount appear. Just remove this amount, press the delete key of the keyboard and go to the again home tab in editing group. Again click on this auto sum option and here I select the max function and here you can see again the range of data is automatically selected. Press the enter key and here you get the maximum value of this data. Okay. Same for min function. Again go to the home editing and click on this drop down arrow and min function. Press the enter and that's it. So this is the way you can use the AutoSum in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.